Hello. So I've been chatting with a partner, and she was telling me that the branch opening hour would be changing, and she was telling me it would be quite a nightmare changing everybody's um, shift sliding. So I actually thought, yes, it would be quite a nightmare sliding every single cell. So this is how I would do it, and I just want to share with you the idea. Now, when you're time sliding, there are three possibilities. You will have the sliding, for example, this person is starting at 8:30. You will slide it until it's the opening hour, which is 9:55. So this column is 9:55 start, and all of this time has been shifted. And then you have another possibility of sliding is the closing. So you have got the 7 p.m. closing and the 8 p.m. closing. So all of these column have the common factor is this one is all 9:55 slide. This one is 7:10 slide backward, as well as this one 8:10 sliding backwards. And so this will be the basis of the template, because in a day you're neither opening or closing. So it's a mixture of opening and closing. So this column is a mixture of the white is opening, so 9:55, and the yellow is this column. Yeah. It's all automatic. So, for example, if I actually go to first floor and copy their time, like so, I'm just going to copy half of it, and then Control Shift V, and you can see you can pause the video to look if you like. I'll make it a bit closer so you can actually see. You can pause and you can see all the time have been shifted. Yeah. Automatically, which means that you can take this particular tab to any of the spreadsheet and it would do exactly the same thing. You just input the variation of time on here, and it will actually give you the data very quickly. Because sometimes you actually have to think with your head, time sliding is just completely drive you mad. People actually thought my head was going to explode when I actually look at the clock and use my fingers to count. That's what I used to do. But nowadays, I just write a formula to time shift, and then you get some hours that, for example, 9:25 to 8. Um, Within that time, it's impossible to time shift. So I put down less the amount of time, if you know what I mean. Just so that you know that the time has been less. Hold on. Right, so I'm going to do undo, and this is the original time for this particular spreadsheet, and I can just exit that one. Now, I have actually made a duplication of the master tab, and I've called it master A. So I got a person called test. Now I'm actually running out of time. This is like the 5-minute video. So I'm going to slide this person. Okay, I'm going to slide this person. Now test. Okay, let me just do this a bit bigger. You can see. So as you can see, this time would be slide. So what I would do is I would literally just copy all of this and then Control Shift V to paste this on. I only got 21 seconds left, so I'm just going to say goodbye and then I'll see you on the next video. Thank you very much.